The Certificate 2 in Plumbing is delivered here on site at Westech Trade Training Centre by TAFE Queensland. Increase your prospects for a career in the plumbing industry with this pre-apprenticeship. With a strong focus on safe plumbing practices, you will learn how to operate hand and power tools, read plans and perform basic welding and plumbing installation techniques. You will also receive training for your General Safety Induction White Card, which is an industry requirement to work on a construction site in Australia. Students will be required to complete a mandatory 80 hours of vocational placement in industry in order to successfully complete their qualification. Successful completion of this course will give you the confidence to seek an apprenticeship in general plumbing or roof plumbing. You may also seek employment as a trade assistant. If you would like to find out more about the Certificate 2 in Plumbing and what it has to offer you, please visit tafeqld.edu.au or contact your VET coordinator at your school. On behalf of TAFE Queensland, I hope to see you here at Westech next year.